So what up, y'all? Today we're gonna put that chrome window trim on the Sierra. I looked for it a few years ago and I didn't find it the other day in the forum. I seen somebody was promoting it. I looked it up and I was like, oh snap, they make it. I didn't know that the ones from the 4-door didn't fit these trucks. I remember one time I went to a dealership. I just got the VIN off of Denali that had these. And when I got it, it was a little too big. I didn't know that. But yeah, so here they are. It was like 100 and something. I think it was like 110, 115 like that. Got here fairly quick though. So installation should be pretty straightforward. Oh, let me take this off real quick. Instructions. And here they are. I like how they actually put right there what they're for. Right door, left door. Let me place it on top and let's see. Oh, that is gonna fit perfect right there. So I put the windows down so when I put it, I'll put some tape on it just to give it more of that you know. So now I'm looking at more. You guys see this little thing right here? And this has that little thing. So my question is it gonna hang like that and a little bit of the that's just sticking out? Because I would think it would sit, you know, flush, but it don't. If you want it to sit on that, it don't close right here. So it's just gonna have to end up sitting like that, and there's gonna be a little bit of that plastic left over. So it don't really fit super flush, as you guys can see that. This would have to be trimmed slightly a little bit. Do I want to try cutting it? No, because I'm not good at that. But so it's gonna have to be like that then. It's not gonna sit flush, so warning you guys if you do get the product. So let's see how it looks. And then see, because you can see right there, that'll be if I wanted to sit flush. That's gonna be a little high. My phone ran out of storage, so I was saying, well, let's just see how it fits. I'm guessing it's gonna be something like this, and this is gonna have to be pulled up a little bit, something like that. But then that is not down, so we'll just see how it is. This video today was sponsored by Skype. I'm just kidding. I wasn't sponsored by nobody. It was sponsored by my bank account. So that is gonna be it right there. It's gonna fit. Try to make it the most flush I could. And good thing it's beaming sun a little bit on it, so make it stick a little better. I am still gonna put some tape on it. Put the window down so I could just have the tape over it to go through the inside. So I did mess up on this one. So it was 2 more down. So trying to fix it by taking it all off. I had to put a key and I did scratch it a little bit right there, but all right. So let's take this thing off real quick. And I'll just do it from here. And it's a little harder than I thought. All right, so we back. Let's take it off. The big reveal. This thing is hard. Boom. There we go. I think it complements the chrome pretty good. I don't know if it's a little too much chrome. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to put the window up. I'm not too sure. I like it, but I don't know how I feel about it. Let's see. Oh, no, that looks good. I think, yeah, that looks good. Oh, yep. Yeah, that looks nice right there. I'll put the link in bio. And yeah, yep. That is solid, y'all. Alright, well, if you made it right here, thanks for checking out the video. Any questions about it, let me know. Deuces.